Happy Soul Food Sunday, everyone. Welcome to the morning mantra and beauty break for today. And today's topic is financial abundance for entrepreneurs and job seekers. I am Ntumba Mukendi, fashion designer and a spiritual motivational speaker. Keep in mind that when a door closes, that just means that you are manifesting something greater than what you've corresponded with in front of you. Okay, so, the door is closed. That means there's something you're manifesting greater. That's not what your expectation was, just a little bit on the lowest scale than what you're actually manifesting. That's why the door closed. Concept to have is that in the moment you are already manifesting financial abundance. So say, as an entrepreneur, you're making callbacks to your network, right? You're following up and making callbacks to your network. Keep in mind that at the moment you are manifesting abundance, okay? Because sometimes we think we're doing, right? What the action that we're doing is what's going to manifest abundance. But the mindset to have is, at the moment, because of who you are, you're already love, abundance, and the image of God. Because of who you are already manifesting abundance. So when you're making that call, be like, okay, I'm manifesting abundance right now. Which door is opening right now? Okay, as opposed to, okay, that call will lead you to abundance. Nothing will lead you to anything. You are already manifesting abundance, and the fact that you are already manifesting abundance is what's manifesting what you're doing, not the other way around. What you're doing is not going to manifest abundance. It's who you are, which is abundance and love, that's manifesting what you're doing, because what you're doing is a reflection that you are already manifesting abundance. Okay, so let's get into the mantra. Alright, you can close your eyes if you want to. You know what the deal is. You know what to do. Okay. I am abundance, therefore I am in constant state of manifesting abundance. I am abundance, therefore I am in constant state of manifesting abundance. I am love and abundance. Therefore, I am in a constant state of manifesting love and abundance. I am love and abundance. Therefore, I am in a constant state of manifesting love and abundance. Okay. Peace and soul.